A torn or badly worn flag should no longer be displayed. In this video, we'll show you how to lower a worn commercial-sized flag, replace it, and raise the new flag with care. For this demonstration, we're using a 12 by 18 foot commercial flag on a 50 foot external Halyard flagpole. This process applies to other commercial-sized flags. Before you begin, release the halyard from the cleat and lower the flag slowly. One person should stay in control of the halyard or rope at all times. As the flag comes within reach, the rest of your team should receive it from the lower edge to support its weight. Remember, keep the fabric off the ground throughout the process. As the flag lowers, gather the fabric as it comes down. Continue gathering until the entire flag is fully supported and easy to hold. With the flag fully supported, disconnect the lowest clip first. Starting at the bottom helps your team maintain control of the flag. Continue to the middle attachment while your team keeps the fabric gathered. Then release the top clip without letting go of the halyard or the flag. Keeping the fabric gathered gives your team better control as the flag comes free. Set the worn flag aside for respectful handling. A U.S. flag that is no longer fit for display should be retired in a dignified manner. Now bring in the replacement flag. With your team's help, unfold it carefully and confirm that it is right side up, untwisted, and fully supported off the ground. Connect the top snap hook first at the upper corner beside the union or blue field. Make sure the snap hook is fully closed. After connecting it, do not forget to lower the snap hook cover to help prevent clanging. Each of these 3 snap hooks has a beaded retainer ring. Keep each ring attached to its snap hook as you move through the remaining attachment points. Raise the flag until the middle snap hook lines up with its attachment point. Then connect the snap hook without twisting the heading. Finish by connecting the lower snap hook. Once all 3 snap hooks are connected, confirm each one is fully closed. You can find replacement snap hooks, snap hook covers, beaded retainer rings, and more at Flags USA under our accessories section. Make sure the flag hangs naturally between the attachment points. One person can now raise the flag while the others feed out the fabric. Move steadily and keep the flag supported and under control. Watch each attachment point as the flag rises. Pause if a clip catches or the fabric begins to twist. Continue raising the flag until it reaches full staff. Then make sure it is flying freely without any twists or snags. Pull the halyard snug and secure it to the cleat. Wrap the rope around the cleat in figure 8s to help prevent slipping. Finish with the locking loop and make sure the halyard is secure. You have now successfully replaced your commercial flag. Thank you for supporting Flags USA, a small, woman-owned business. Follow our channel for more tips on flag installation and care.